Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Share Experience. In this video, we will continue with the Rectification of Errors chapter. Many of us have this confusion of when to use Suspense Account and when we should not use Suspense Account while rectifying the errors. In this video, we are going to discuss about the usage of Suspense Account based on the type of the error. Here I have listed the types of errors on one side where we should not use Suspense Account and types of errors on the another side where we should use Suspense Account. First we will see the errors and rectify them. Then we will identify the type of error and match with this list. So this list I made it for your easy reference. Our first error is depreciation of machinery of 5,000 not charged. Not charged means we have not recorded the journal in our books of account. So we will record the entry. There is nothing to rectify in this. We will just record the entry. A solution is depreciation account debtor to machinery account. Amount is 5,000. Please note down the narration if you want. Our next error is goods distributed as free samples for 5,000 not recorded anywhere. Error states not recorded anywhere. So we haven't recorded the journal itself. So here also we will record the journal. The solution is advertisement account debtor to purchases account. Amount is 5,000. One point that we should always remember is amount flow from journal to ledger and then to trial balance. If we are maintaining subsidiary books, then both journal and subsidiary book amounts flow to ledger and then to trial balance. The first two errors we discussed are complete omission errors. In this case, the journal is not recorded anywhere. That means the amount is not gone to trial balance. This type of error is called complete omission error. And for this type of error, there is no need to use Suspense Account. Our next error is a sum of 625 written off from fixtures as depreciation has not been posted to the depreciation account. Here they are talking about posting. Posting means ledger posting. We have two accounts. One is depreciation account and another one is fixtures account. Error states that they have not posted to depreciation account. That means they have posted to fixtures account. When we charge the depreciation on asset, the correct entry is depreciation account debtor to asset account. Here we are charging depreciation on fixtures. So the entry is depreciation account debtor to fixtures account. Amount is 625. On the debit side of the depreciation account, we record two fixtures and the amount is 625. But we have forgot to post it into depreciation account. That is what the error states. So the rectification entry is depreciation account debtor to suspense account. Amount is 625. Here we are crediting to suspense account because we want the amount to appear on the debit side of the depreciation account. So we have credited suspense account. Our next error is credit sale of goods to Mohan 50,000 recorded in the sales book but not posted in Mohan's account. The credit sale entry is Mohan debtor to sales account. Amount is 50,000. The error states we have recorded in the sales book but not posted in Mohan's account. In Mohan's account, we are supposed to post two sales on the debit side and the amount is 50,000. But we have not posted. So the rectification entry is Mohan debtor to suspense account. Amount is 50,000. In the third and fourth errors, we have recorded the journal correctly, but we made an error in the ledger posting. Here we have posted one account correctly in the ledger, but forgot to post another account. So The posted account balance has gone to trial balance. The another account which we forgot to post has not gone to trial balance. So this type of error is called partial omission error, also called as one-sided error. So we should use suspense account while rectifying this type of error. Next error is purchase of an office table costing 3,000 has been passed through purchases book. Since they have not mentioned cash purchases in the error, we should consider it as credit purchases. Assume that we have purchased the furniture from Tim. The correct entry is furniture account debtor to Tim. Amount is 3,000. The error states it has been passed through purchases book instead of debiting to furniture account. We all know that whenever we purchase an asset on credit basis, we should not record that in purchases book. The wrong entry is purchase account debtor to Tim. Amount is 3,000. Now the rectification entry is furniture account debtor to purchase account. Amount is 3,000. Here we have credited to purchases because purchases is the wrong account. So to nullify the wrong entry, we have credited purchases and debited to furniture account because furniture is the correct account. In this case, journal is recorded with the correct amounts on the correct side but with the wrong account. So it has not gone to ledger and trial balance. So we don't have to use suspense account here. Our next error is 460 paid for buildings repairs was debited to buildings account as 640. When we spend money on building repairs, the entry is building repairs account debtor to cash account. The amount is 460. But the error states 460 paid for building repairs was debited to buildings account instead of building repairs account. And the amount is 640 instead of 460. Here we have two errors. One is wrong account and another one is wrong amount. We have updated more amount. So we need to nullify the account with the difference amount. The difference is 640 minus 460, which comes to 180. The rectification entry is building repairs account debtor, suspense account debtor to buildings account. Now we will update the amounts. For building repairs account, amount is 460. For suspense account, amount is 180. That is the difference amount. And for buildings account, the amount is 640. Since we have posted to wrong account with the wrong amount, in this case, we have to use suspense account. The next error is a check for 2,000 received from Nakul has been dishonored and was passed to the debit of allowances account. When the check is dishonored, the entry is Nakul debtor to bank account. Amount is 2,000. In the error, it says it is passed to the debit of allowances account. So the wrong entry is allowances account debtor to bank account. Amount is 2,000. To rectify this type of error, we will credit the allowances account which is wrongly debited and debit Nakul which is supposed to be debited. So the rectification entry is Nakul debtor to allowance account. Amount is 2,000. In this case also, we have wrong account while passing the journal. So we should not use suspense account. Next error is credit sale of 10,000 to Ram was recorded as 15,000. Whenever we sell goods on credit basis, a correct entry is Ram debtor to sales account. Amount is 10,000. But the wrong entry as per the error is Ram debtor to sales account. Amount is 15,000. Instead of 10,000, they have recorded 15,000. Here we have recorded with the more amount. So to nullify this, we need to reverse the entry with the difference amount. The difference amount is 15,000 minus 10,000. That comes to 5,000. The rectification entry is sales account debtor to Ram, amount is 5000. In this case, we have recorded the journal with wrong amount to both the accounts. So the error occurred in the journal stage, not in the posting stage. So we don't have to use suspense account while rectifying the error. Next error is cash paid to Mohan 10,000 posted to the credit of his account. The correct entry is Mohan debtor to cash account. In this error, we have posted 10,000 on the credit side of the Mohan's account instead of debit side. To rectify this entry, we need to debit Mohan's account and credit suspense account with 20,000. Because on the credit side of the Mohan's account, we have recorded 10,000 which is wrong. So 10,000 on the debit side will nullify the wrong entry which is there on the credit side, and another 10,000 on the debit side is the actual amount. So the rectification entry is Mohan debtor to suspense account, amount is 20,000. In this error, journal is recorded correctly but posted on the wrong side of the ledger account. So this is also one-sided error. So we need to use suspense account. Our next error is sales book for the month of April was undercasted by 100. We all know that we transferred the sales book total to sales account on the credit side as by sundries as per sales book. The error is talking about this total. This total is less by 100. So to rectify this, we need to add 100 to the sales account on the credit side. So the rectification entry is suspense account debtor to sales account and the amount is 100. Here we have posted with wrong total, that is in the ledger stage, not while passing the journal entry. This is also one-sided error. So we should use suspense account. The next error is purchase book carried forward at 75 less. Purchase book value is transferred to purchase account on the debit side as two sundries as per purchases book. The error is talking about this total. This total is less by 75. So to increase this total, we need to add 75 on the debit side of the purchase account. So the rectification entry is purchase account debtor to suspense account. Amount is 75. Here we have made an error while carrying forward the total to ledger. So this is also considered as one-sided error. So we should use suspense account. Our last error is goods purchased from Kunal for 8,000 and from Kapil for 9,000. Recorded correctly in the purchases book. However, 9,000 was posted to Kunal and 8,000 is posted to Kapil. The error says it is correctly recorded in purchases book but wrongly posted in Kunal and Kapil's account. As per the purchase entry, in Kunal's account we have to record 8,000 on the credit side and in Kapil's account we have to record 9,000 on the credit side. But by mistake we have recorded 9,000 in Kunal's account and 8,000 in Kapil's account. The rectification entry is Kunal debtor to Kapil. Amount is 1000. Usually when we commit error while posting one of the accounts in the ledger, we use suspense account to rectify the error. In this case, we have committed error for two accounts with wrong amounts. Instead of posting 8,000 and 9,000, we have posted 9,000 and 8,000. Though the amounts are wrong, this will not affect the trial balance because one error is compensating with another error. So we should not use suspense account in this case. Hope you guys have understood the explanation, but if you guys have any doubts, please post them in the comment section below. And if you guys like the explanation or if you think this video is helpful to you guys, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and also share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching this video.